In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header color in Weebly. This simple process will take just a few minutes, and by the end, you'll have a customized header that fits your brand perfectly. First things first, let's head over to the Weebly website. You can access their free website builder by typing in the URL or simply searching for Weebly in your browser. Once you are on the homepage, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. In case you've signed up through another platform, you should see options to log in that way as well. After inputting your credentials, go ahead and hit the login button. Now that you're inside your account, you'll find yourself on the overview page. This is where all your websites and current projects are listed. From here, you'll want to select the site you are working on and click on the Edit Site button to move on to the design editor. In the design editor, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and look for the build option. Clicking on this will guide you to all the customization features available for your site. However, our focus today is the header, so next click on the stock header image you see on the page. A host of editing choices will pop up, but you're going to click on Edit Background because this feature allows alterations to the header's visual elements. As the menu expands, you'll spot a small drop-down icon. Click on it and it will reveal the color editing options. Now click on the color button. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to click change color to begin selecting a new hue for your header. A color palette will appear offering a variety of shades to choose from. Select the one that complements the look and feel you're aiming for. Don't worry if it's not visible yet, this next step ensures everything is saved correctly. Once you've chosen your desired color, simply hit the angled arrow icon pointing left to go back. When you're ready, click anywhere outside the editing box to exit this mode. Rest assured your changes are live, and you should see the new color reflected across your web page's header. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your Weebly site's header color. This small but impactful change can make a significant difference in how your site appears to visitors, potentially offering a captivating first impression. Remember, customization is key when personalizing your website to stand out or align with your branding objectives. Thank